Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add scrolling text to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by the home page of your store where we can get started with editing it in the sections right here such as home, orders, products, and so on. What we're going to be doing guys today to be able to add customizable text that can scroll is this option right here. We're going to open up online store. So as you can see, after opening up online store, it's going to immediately open up the themes section right here where we want to enter in to edit our theme. And guys, as you can see right here on this official community Shopify page, we can see that somebody already asked the question, how can I add a customizable scrolling text section? This is a thread you can go ahead and find by googling it or just going to the community Shopify website. And in this result right here, somebody that works with Shopify has showed us the code we can use to get started with adding customizable scrolling text. As you can see, here are the instructions. Basically, you want to go ahead and find this thread for yourself so that you can go ahead and follow this step by step. As you can see, the steps first is to go into theme and edit code. So I have already opened out the themes as I have just showed you right here. And then you want to click the three dots right here next to your theme. Here you want to go ahead and open up edit code option. That's going to open up this new coding section where we can get started with editing our files. And as you can see, we're going to find the new section and add a new section that says BSS section. So after you have added your section, you're going to go ahead and get started with implementing the code that is right here. So go ahead and follow these steps right here, copy the code and add it to your new section that you have created right here. As you can see, here is the sections options, and after that, just save it, apply it to your store, and that's how you can get started with adding customizable scrolling text. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.